Hello and welcome everyone. Let's look at how we can calculate the square root of a number by approximation. Now there are a couple of different ways in the videos to follow. We'll do that. We'll look at different ways to calculate the square root of a given number. In today's class, we are looking at how we will calculate square of a number by approximation. Approximate करके कैसे निकालेंगे? We'll not use a lengthy approach to solve it. Let's take a number here. For example, let me take the number 28 and I want to find the square root of number 28. So what I'll do is I'll look that 28 lies between which two perfect squares. 28 lies between 25 and 36, which means square root of 28 will lie between square root of 25, which is 5, and square root of 36, which is 6. This is where it will lie. What will be the value of this number here? Check the gap between 25 and 28, which is 3. Check the gap between 25 and 36, which is 11. So I can say root 28 is the lesser square root, which is 5, plus 3 by 11, which will be round about 5.27. So I can approximate my square root of 28 as 5.27. Let's try another example. Let's take another example here. Let me find the square root of number 40. Now 40 lies between 6 ka square, which is 36, and 7 ka square, which is 49. So square root 40, let me just quickly erase this part. So square root of 40 will lie between the root of these two numbers, which is 6 and 7. Again, just like the previous question, look at the differences above. What are my differences? This is 4. This is 30. So I can say my root 40 is about 6 plus 4 by 13. So 6, which is a smaller number, plus the first gap 4, the second gap 13, 6 plus 4 by 13, which comes at around 6.3-ish, 3.1 मान लेते हैं approximately. Therefore, I can simply say my root 40 is 6.3 or 6.31. That's a very rough calculation, but that's a good enough calculation to be going on with. For the most of the cases, this is more or less what we need. Let's take another example here. Let us say I want to find the square root of number 130. Square root of 130 is what I have to find. 130 lies between 121 and 144. Any square root of 130 will lie between 12 and 11. Again, just like the previous case, root 130 is the smaller square root 11 plus this gap 9 upon this gap 23. So 11 plus 9 by 23, which can be approximated to 11.4. And that's a good enough approximation to be going on with. Hope this method is clear to everyone. Let's meet up in the next class, in the next video, where we look at how to find square root by long division method. Whether it is a perfect square root, it's not a perfect square root, but how to use long division for that. See you in the next video.